Hi, good evening. It's just gone 40 minutes past 6, 18:40 hours on Tuesday, 2nd of June 2020. And I'm about to have dinner of a salad. I have spinach leaves. I have kampung lettuce. I have coriander, some cucumber, a little bit of carrot, some beetroot, which you can't see, it's down there, some scallion. You can see the scallion here. What else? Mango. I've got one mango. In fact, the mango, they were on sale. A whole bunch of them were for 5 ringgit because they were overripe. So I tasted it. It was a little heady from overripe, but I guess I'll have to finish the rest very quickly. Okay, so and I made a dressing. It's balsamic vinegar, red serrano chili, 3 cloves of garlic, no, 2 cloves of garlic, and 3 bulbs of rose onion, thinly sliced. The garlic was smashed. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and I've let them to steep in this mixture. And for salt, I put a little bit of this stuff, Maggi seasoning, and just a touch of this for some flavor. And the various vinegars were distilled white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and balsamic vinegar. Okay, and I'll probably sprinkle some seeds on this, some mixed watermelon, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds on top. So I'm going to enjoy my salad dinner. And after this, I'm going to have the rest of my miso soup, which I had for lunch. And since I have so much mangoes, I'll probably have a fruit salad with mangoes a little later. See how it goes. Okay, see ya. Did I mention mint leaves? I've also got fresh mint leaves, as well as scallion, and the bayam, the green spinach, as well as the lettuce, some cucumber. Oh, I forgot to put tomatoes. Never mind, it's already quite a lot here. Next round. Anyway, I've given it a stir and a mix, so all the leafy greens are moist with the vinegar dressing solution. The whole point is just to get the leaves moist. If you have them settling at the bottom of your bowl, you've got too much. Okay, so that's the idea, just enough to get the leafy greens covered with your dressing. Okay, so I'm going to enjoy this now, and see you next time. Bye. Verdict time. Boy, that was excellent. Talking about explosion of flavors, that's really, you get the crunchiness from the carrot and the celery, and what else has crunchiness in there, and the seeds, and then you get the sweetness from the mango, and the beetroot, and then suddenly you get the heat from the garlic and the scallion and the shallots, and they come together and they neutralize each other, cancel each other out. You just get this lovely, lovely tasting food in your mouth. Okay, and the acidity from the vinegar is not too much. In fact, I poured the whole lot. The heat, I tell you, is not so much from the chili. I use 1 red serrano chili, but from the garlic and the scallion, and of the green veg, I had I think 2 or 3 bunches of coriander, which I've cut into small pieces. I've got fresh mint leaves. I've got scallion, and the lettuce. I've got what do you call it? Kampung lettuce, which is the cheapest lettuce. It was 10.99 a kilo. Whereas the other type of lettuce, I think they call it, I don't know what they call it, but it's about $15 a kilo, 15 ringgit a kilo. Okay, I'm very pleased with this. I'll be having it again because I have some more lettuce, but I've run out of spinach, the green spinach. So maybe tomorrow, if I get spinach. I might get a mixture of green and red ones or just red ones. We'll see. Depends on my mood. Okay, so I'm very happy with this. I think I'm going to finish off the balance of my miso soup, and then I'll have a fruit salad to eat as much of these mangoes as I can because they're overripe and they won't last many a day. Okay, see you next time. Bye.